Hey, what's up? It's Jared and Jerry back again. We built a second engine because the first one didn't go as well as planned, but this one is like 30% larger. I think the other one was like 10 inches, and this one is like 19, so it's almost like double. But yeah, we packed it with more propellant and we fixed some of the kinks out, so hopefully this one will work better.
All right, let me get this camera set up.
This explodes. Sorry.
All right, here we go, Jerry. Here we go. That is awesome.
I told you that wasn't looking good.
Yo, I would be laughing. I think I messed up pretty
Jared, you just created a bomb.
Wow, I was scared there for a second.